welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata, and this is my student.
Hi, my name is Steven.
And guys, I don't know if you remember this video, but today we're here to do the breakdown. First of all, thank you so much for watching and for liking it, and thank you for your comments. And due to that, we are doing the breakdown today. So, are you ready and excited? We are. All right. All right, you guys, we made it to the last section, and let's get started. And I know I told you it was 4, 4, 5, but just kidding, we have 6. Apparently, I do not know how to do math, right? But hey, one for free.
There we go.
Okay, so we're here. Where are we?
We just finished the
crossbody. There you
crossbody.
go. We just finished the crossbody lead, right? So now we are in left to left hand hold, and we're gonna do another crossbody lead, okay? So in this crossbody lead, remember how the first one I got to get a loop, so now you're going to loop yourself. So happens again on 1. We go 1, 2, 3. Now, if you notice, by 2, he's already connecting with my back, okay? So now, ladies, really quick, I know some of us sometimes do the crossbody lead, the third step going forward. I have nothing against that, but let me tell you one thing, it's my preference to close your feet on 3, because then you can create a better effect on 3, look, yeah? And you can also add some styling and whatever you want, yeah? And if you were doing this, then you cannot do much. It's like, right? Okay, that being said, let's get to this again. Ready? 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And regular 5, 6, 7 of the crossbody lead. He gets my right hand, and now
Crossbody again.
Crossbody lead again. Thank you, Steven. So this crossbody lead is also known as the bridge, or the crossbody lead with the outside turn. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and then on 7 is when you turn her to the outside, okay? Now, if you're having difficulties with that one, you can also take a look of this video. I explain it very detailed there. From there, we go into the in and outs, shoulder check, peekaboo, however you know it, okay? So open break, we get the connection first, positive connection, negative, 1, 2, 3. Ladies, keep your hand by your chest, and then you can go up and again by your chest, out and by your chest, up and out. From here,
we're just going to do a turn.
Another open break into the turn. That's how we are exiting the in and out. So 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. All right, and now we got to the final, which is the dip. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and explain the dip. You're going to pretend you're going to do a crossbody lead. So we go 1, 2, 3, but on 5, instead of leading her down the line of dance, you're going to lead her to face you. So we go, one more time. So we go 5, yeah? Now, once we're here, ladies, make sure your right foot is inside, not outside of his left leg. Okay, once we're here, gentlemen, you bend your left leg. Ladies, you place your full weight on the right, and now we can create a nice dip. All right, let me give you some tips for this. The most common mistake that can happen, are you ready, Steven?
The ladies throw her weight.
Yes, so make sure this is not gonna happen, ladies. So you're here and wah, right? Because guess what? He may not be ready, and then you're gonna end up on the floor. We don't want that. We don't want that. We always want to be carrying our own weight. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. you go 5, and then it's 6, right? So once you're here, like I explained, you pivot on the right leg, your full weight is on the right, and what's really going to help you is bringing your hips forward so you can counterbalance the weight of your head. Now, you see, you can carry your own weight. Now, for my guys, please make sure to not bend your upper body towards the lady because you're gonna be adding weight, and guess what?
Gravity will win.
And you're gonna end up on the floor, and we don't want that. Okay, so let's do it one more time, and we're going to consider those pointers that we give you. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now, gentlemen, just bend the leg, keep your upper body straight, ladies, hips forward, and everyone is happy. Now, from here, if you wish to continue dancing, send her back, and you can just exit with a crossbody lead, and that's it. All right, guys, well, good job, Steven. Thank you so much for your
You're
help
very welcome.
again. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit long, but hey, you asked for the breakdown. Here is the breakdown. Now, please, your support by liking and subscribing to my channel, and also share with your friends, because if it was helpful for you, it can be helpful for them as well. All right, comments also, I love your comments. And I will see you guys next time. Practice, practice. Thank you, guys.